Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get tons of research points and company coins from codes. So first, we have made for me, and it gives you 1 research point. And then we have I want hook shot. That one also gives a research point. And then this one gives like 600 coins, I think. Phantom tax coins. And it gives like a bunch of coins. Yeah, there's another one. Play with
What?
devs is another code. You should probably like and subscribe because you should, and hope these codes were useful. And the video's over. I have to do an explosion now, so I'm really broke. So I'm gonna do this and this. See, now I have this, and then ooh, a wonderful picnic.